many things. It's not one thing. I think first is that you have to keep your mental and physical health at the top. First, you have to take care of that. As an individual, I do a lot of exercise and yoga at least 3 times a week, if not more. Make sure that you are mentally and physically fit. The next is to ensure that your team and your colleagues and your surrounding people are fit. So we keep running these internal motivation programs of who is the fittest, who loses maximum weight. We have an Architect running club. We used to have an Architect running club because we're Fitbit distribution. So we run an internal program. So all these small city-based marathons or area-based marathons, the team used to participate and make more and more people join to keep them active and fit. Once you have this health and is in place, then your mind at your work will be able to take the stress of whatever work presents to you. If you're not physically fit, you're not able to take. And fit does not mean losing weight only. Fit means remaining active. So your body should continue to be agile and active to be able to take work. Once that is in place, then we do weekly, monthly calls. We do different initiatives for partners, plan those meetings, then put agenda. How do we continue to engage, especially during pandemic times? So things like we do Tech Tuesday, where we do training programs. Every Tuesday, 1 hour, every product manager will come, one by one obviously, and do a training session for these partners. Earlier we used to do it physically, but now since physically knowledge transfer is not happening by doing meetings, we are doing it online. And there is far more participation, far serious participation, because Sham ki meeting mein sometimes, the partners also want to unwind, network with people, and the main agenda of the event lost during the shows. So now we are able to bring more and more knowledge transfers to the partner about the product, about the technologies. Another point is where we ran partners, Tarak Se Farak, a debate competition, our internal teams. We picked up certain topics and we did a debate competition internally. We engaged some quiz competition from age 5 to age 10 years old. And different parameter, we had quiz competition. Participants of our partners' children. As children are also at home, only working with their friends, and schools are limited. So we created a quiz competition for all these children, and we some 100 children won. Some more than 2,000 children participated, and we gave some winners. Almost 100 winners were identified out of this 2,000, and gifts were sent remotely directly to their partner's house. So you are connected with those partners, and you do something different for them, because you and me are also sitting at home are frustrated. Imagine the scope for partners whose means are also limited. So what would they do? So keep them engaged with such small things, both on work front and on personal front. The motivation remains high to remain in the industry and work positively. One thing I remember is after a few years of joining, I went to both the seniors, my mentors and seniors in Architect. I mentioned to them that we are running on Tally for so many years. And if we have to grow from, and that time we were at about 350 crores of revenue. So if you have to think big, तो हमको हम big का क्या मतलब है? आप 300 का आप 600 सोच लोगे, 700 सोच लोगे, 800 सोच लोगे. लेकिन अगर हमको सोचना है, थोड़ा जुनून लाना है, maybe 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 crores. How will we achieve that? And that is where I said that we need to have an ERP system in the organization. And current ERP system will continue to give growth, no doubt about it. But we will get stuck somewhere between 600 to 1,000 crores. I don't know what, but somewhere we will get stuck. But some intuition बोलते हैं ना, उसमें एक intuition आया कि जो चल रहा है वो grow करते करते तो इधर गाड़ी अटक जाएगी हमारी. Within 6 months, Everyone came on board. We all decided to implement an ERP. In the next 6 months, we finalized, and in the next 6 months, we all implemented. And I think that was as not just me, but my suggestions were taken so proactively. And I feel proud and thankful that I have seniors who gave me that serious hearing. Because sometimes नहीं तो फिर क्या होता है, once you are new in the organization, अभी आया है बच्चा, क्या सिखाएगा हमको?
बिल्कुल, true.
But I think that platform that was given to me, I think I'm very, very thankful and very, very humbled that something like this was also there in mind, but it's just that I happened to spell it out more vocally, help them take this decision and give. Otherwise, हमने तो सोचा भी नहीं था कि हम कभी 4,000-5,000 करोड़ कभी देख भी लेंगे क्या. That's why when you ask whether I did it, but I don't think I have done it. But I think it was a platform that was given to me, that thankful and grateful, because of which I'm able to do small incremental improvements for the organization. और फिर तो बाद में तो कोई एक चीज रुकती नहीं है.
बिल्कुल true.
So one is for we are now, earlier our organization was product focused. Now we are going solution focused. So products तो बहुत सारे हैं, but now we are diverting them into focus areas. Divisions में, for example, हमारे पास में PC business होते हैं, networking है, peripheral, storage, etc. Now we are going into specific verticals like enterprise. Enterprise में AI deep learning. There is storage solutions, cloud services. In retail, there is supply chain management and online separate हैं, channel separate होते हैं. All these we are looking at from a solution perspective. See, even price is there. It's not a solution, but it is a basket of something that is contributing towards a solution or towards achieving some end goal. तो आप खाली कीबोर्ड माउस बेचने जाओगे तो आपको वही 2-5 रुपए मिलेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
बट उसी चीज को आप बेचने जाओगे एज अ सोल्यूशन अलोंग विद अ बास्केट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. It fetches you a very different. Your conversation becomes very different. So one is I spoke about from product migrating to a solution and channel-driven approach. Because segmentation of channels happened earlier. Our channel, everything was one. Everything was under one umbrella, one basket. But now today, everything is now so much segmentations.
True.
But you have to focus on each of those segmentations and fit the need of that segment appropriately. The second, yes, geographical expansion also. We are now exploring from India to Southeast Asia also. We've done our work, we've done our experiment in the past, and we've had our success and failures, small success failures. But now we will start focusing heavily on the operations out of Singapore office as well. And I think that will be the next milestone where let's see where we go. So we have started some small revenues out of Singapore from that solution point of view, and giving new unique features and products of distribution using our Singapore office. Singapore office, cloud is the enterprise are the three main source. And the fourth division that we are now starting to look at is the semiconductors. Semiconductors, especially because Make in India never ever have been the push of Make in India as much as it is right now. And there is active work within the government body to give and implement policies to drive and make an effort in that direction. So पहले तो क्या होती थी, बातें ज्यादा होती थी,
बिल्कुल
एक्शन कम होता था. बट राइट नाउ यू सी सम एक्शंस आल्सो, गुड और बैड इज सेपरेट matter, but action is also happening where PLI schemes have been rolled out, smartphones, which is also getting rolled out for the IT sector. And we hear a lot of more such manufacturing, not only in IT, but other than IT will also fall part. And IT will fuel that growth. IT will be able to support from a semiconductor point of view to generate larger, to create a different body altogether. There is some thoughts, but I don't think we have an active strategy. How do we support startups? Because startup world is a very different animal. When you are habituated to a traditional way of operating a business, startup balance sheets and businesses are always disruptive and not understand. But what we have started to realize is that these startups will form a very important ecosystem to take India forward leaps and bounds. So we are looking at startups, especially in the field of refurbishing segment, startups in terms of various other services. You may call it cybersecurity. Refurbished are some of these segments that we are looking, which are future of the future growth industries within our IT industry. I am sure you are aware that cybersecurity has grown almost 2x in just last 2-3 years.
Yes.
The need for cybersecurity has gone up multifold, and by 2026, it is expected to become 5-folds from now what we are. In 5 years, 5-folds is an enormous jump in the landscape, and I think these startups, though they bring disruption, but also bring efficiency and solutions. Which probably will take 10 years in a shorter span of time, which companies like established organizations take time to move and time to catch on to those trends. So those spaces will be created for them either by way of investment, either by way of incubating them within the organization, something or the other. My message to all the channel partners is, do not be afraid to try new things. Pandemic has changed the way we used to operate our businesses. Do not expect the business to go back the way it used to happen even in 2019. Forget as soon as possible. Start with as if you are a child learning in ABC. The moment you do that, you will be able to accept or absorb new things much faster, much better, and bring innovation to your own individual in the recent times. IT industry has been stagnant for the last few years, and pandemic has shown us such immense opportunity, and it will fuel the next wave of IT. You can call it that this is the IT's 3.0 phase of IT industry in the distribution space. So the way you connected with your customers is not going to be the same. The way you supply to them will not be the same. The way you give them the solution will not be the same. The way you service them will never be the same. All of these has to change as soon as possible.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.